making breakfast. Oh, Todd, how are you feeling right now? You did good, kid. Nine o'clock, drinking coffee, getting ready to go terminate.
Oh, we got fucking cameraman Al fucking getting the movie.
Oh, the fucking angles.
Damn, look at that shit. Oh, he's grabbing it. Oh, you didn't do it. You went to feed them to her.
You gotta wash it off.
That's washed off.
Yeah, that's cheating.
You did it.
So? Can't put it in a glass.
That's not how you do it. You gotta be hard about it. You gotta like act like you're making breakfast.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, an episode of doing really whatever you want. We decided to. I already had some in here, so trust me, there's more than you think. He challenged me to something not many men would do.
You need a label.
Check that out. It's the man that you always wanted to be. Him, not me. No, White Claw. You gotta chase it with the fucking peanuts, dude. Look at me. Delicious snack. Tell us, how are you feeling right now? Yes. Do it. You did good, kid. Get him.
You don't know what you're in for, buddy.
Yeah, I think he senses it. This is your time.
You gotta help me.
Okay, go, let him go. He's smart. He's react. Oh, that was
Should I
weak.
try it again?
Yo, he's actually mad smart for that.
Yeah. No.
He's like, I don't like it. No, put him down. No, he's smart. He's too smart for it.
Okay, so today we're gonna be playing Guitar Hero. And we're gonna be using this controller instead of
Should I be like, can I get a
the
Brazilian
guitar. Oh my god. Who's asking you if anybody wants a Brazilian blow? Isn't that for girls waxing their... Oh, it's on her story.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody. We're gonna be playing Black Sunshine. Let's see. We'll get the hand cam in there as well, huh? Dude, I could be a fucking YouTuber, huh? Oh, it died! Oh, no, it didn't.
Your brother is a lightweight. No, you.
How?
Because I'm telling him.
I'm not even on drugs.
You're a lightweight.
I'm not even on drugs.
You are.
No, I'm not. Are my hands in there? I can't play out here, bro. I'm gonna play normally. Just know that they're all linked up. Dude, I might be a famous Guitar Hero YouTuber after this. They're like, holy shit, this dude's on controller, bro. Actually, this song's kind of easy. I feel like on guitar, it's doable. What? That's so upsetting.
Like, what is wrong with him?
That was a guy?
No.
So why'd you just say him?
I don't know. What's wrong with them?
Well, if it was a guy, I'd be suspicious to why they're trying to meet up with people moaning into a fucking camera. Oh, shit on my balls.
Oh, sorry, on the phone.
Wanna go fishing?
No.
You don't like fishing? Alright guys, that was my warm-up song. The GoPro's at 9%, so I'll probably get through Fire in the Flames. But,
holy shit.
Here's Alex. This is his office. He's leaving us in like half a month or something like that. A little more than half a month. I don't even know if this thing picks up sound. But that's awful. The year's 2021, I think. And we're still playing PlayStation 2. Because fuck the new shit.
Damn, I'm getting $261.
For what? For what?
Being a Wix partner.
Is this new?
Yeah, that's because I'm reached the highest level revenue share. So just because.
You had a killer month, Alex. Congrats. By the way, I think you could have be another revenue source for you. You have 25 Wix stores.
That's huge.
What stores?
Yeah, so I have people that have website stores.
Oh. You have a coupon for 50% off of your month of a $249 advertising plan. Are you gonna do that or no?
Yeah, I gotta look into it.
When the screen turns black, is it still recording? Like sometimes
Yeah.
it goes black
Yeah.
here. Oh, it is. It's probably just like saving battery or some shit.
It is.
Continually optimized to maximize performance. Before launching your ad campaign, make sure you've connected it.
All right, guys, it's time for
payments for orders of your site.
Fire in the Flames. I have
Let's get
to
started. Go to your site dashboard and click Marketing Tools. Select Facebook.
And use the
ads,
fucking-
Then get started. Next.
All right, everybody, this is my,
Your campaign will run
let's say first attempt
continuously, or choose
at the
an end date.
greatest song of all time.
The algorithm needs time to
All right, give me a sec to set
Running
this
ads
up.
longer. When you're all set,
Is it a good
click
angle?
Next.
Or is this a good angle? I'm gonna be all like, meow. All right, ready?
Give it a
What? Oh, wait, that's a fail.
targeting.
He has to go to a meeting, everybody.
Yeah, you and your brother are so alike, but all something is gonna be cooler. It's usually how it works.
Dude, I got you saying that on camera, dog. He says I'm cooler than Justin.
Let's say that.
Please leave your message
Yeah, he
for
did.
You never said that.
325
He said it.
0203. Please give me a call back and look forward to speaking with you. Bye. I fucking hate you, dude. You're making me laugh.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a Wix expert. My number is fucking my number.
Get out of here, dude.
What's my number? Fuck.
Yeah, I don't really have one.
Ew, bro. You gotta fucking wash this.
What's wrong? Sit. Oh yeah, it's time.
Dog, maybe you should just throw that away.
Nah. Dude, it's just fucking coffee, dude. Dude, dog.
I painted this picture for him. Yep. It's a good picture. I did it. I painted it for him.
No disrespect or all that. Brother, fucker, leave. Disrespect.
That is truly disrespectful.
Dude, she's disrespect.
No, I know, but I'm...
She's getting disrespect. 100.
So today on the vlog, we're gonna be doing a fantasy draft later.
Can you see this cutness?
918
Wow.
2897418.
Hi, this is Alex from Our Complete Media, Wix expert. I'm just following up so I can help you with your e-commerce website. You put a request in through Wix. When you get a chance, please give me a call back. My number is 860-560-1203. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Oh,
How's that?
oh. I was fucking going too. Yeah, I was too. Oh, we thought that was a draw. Yeah, I remember when we first got these too. We were dicking around with them. Yeah, we were doing shit like this.